So fam, right after the Clifton Suspension Bridge, we came to have lunch at ZaZa Bazar. The food is amazing here. In the entrance, we were greeted by the people and the manager took us to the seating place. So much variety of food. I was not prepared for this, neither my stomach is. Quite big. We are in front of the Indian dishes. Yes, I'm all excited. We are just gonna start. So far, I have taken chicken biryani, some pakoras. I don't know what else I have taken. I'm gonna start. Feeling damn hungry. We have started with the Indian cuisine. I started with the chicken biryani. It's pretty amazing. Very good, very good. Yeah. You wanna say about something?
The chicken tikka is really good. Everything is good. I'm loving it.
So fam, right after that I have taken rice and sambar. That's my favorite. And this is pretty good. It's not like Kerala sambar, but sambar is also pretty good. So fam, next I'm going to try some sushis. Some chopstick skills. Sushi always sucks. I don't understand the taste of this. So fam, I have not visited much of the restaurants in UK, but this is a worthy place. Worth for every single penny you spend, because I'll show you what all we have over here. Right at the entrance we have, like this, is the pastries. It starts with the pastries over here. We have a cash counter. People can sit, dine over here. Pastries itself, we have lot of varieties. We have a lot of things over here. Then right after that we get the ice creams, all the things. There's a drink counter. You can fill how much ever drinks you want. We have the drink station. Drinks is like extra paid. The live cooking counter. There's a lot of other things also. As you can see, children's playing. All this place was totally filled when we came. And after that we have nachos and all those things. Mexican food, Mexican and Italian. Just right after that we have pizza counter. So fam, we have finished with our lunch and it was pretty good. There's a lot of options, there's a lot of food. Leah is in the call over there. That's why she's not in the video. The food is very amazing. There's a lot of things to eat. To be frank, I wasted a lot of food. I tried one cuisine, then after that I went to something else, and all excited because after a long time I was having some good Indian food. And this is ZaZa Bazar behind me. Highly recommended place. If you are coming to Bristol, please do come here, have your food. They have all Indian cuisines. If you're Indian, you'll definitely love it. And they have all other cuisines as well. And there's a big giant wheel over here. So Leah, what's your opinion on ZaZa Bazar?
We have lots of options, especially Indian foods. I was like, it's been around 1 or 2 months we didn't have Indian food. We had lots of variety. We had biryani, rice, especially rice and sambar. Everything was there, but lots of, and with variety of desserts, ice creams, puddings, everything. And not only Indian, there were lots of Asians and all the varieties. Yeah, English foods, everything was there. It was amazing. Yeah, I'm totally full.
So fam, even I like the food a lot. And after that we are going to the museum. We don't know, like museum is closing at 5 and it's already 4:15. I don't know how long we can take this, but let's see if the camera is allowed inside the museum or not. So fam, this is the art museum. As you can see, it's very big. It extends all across. The building is beautiful, right, Leah?
Yes, it's a huge building. I think it may be a church, or it looks like a church.
Yeah, the architecture is different over here. So without further delay, let's go over there. We are getting late. Sorry fam, this is University of Bristol. It's written over there. I have not seen that. Oh, they've got a nice campus. Quite tall. So fam, this is the Bristol Museum and Art Gallery. This is the entrance. So we don't know what to expect over here. We haven't Googled. We don't have any knowledge about what's there inside. But we are excited. Let's see, like if they allow us to film or not. If they don't allow, after that, at the end, like I'll come and do a sign-off video, and we'll go back to our place. So let's see how the museum is. Oh, it's not just beautiful. It's like extraordinary. We don't know where to go. Start from. Ah, I've seen this. This is like something Indian, right? Yeah. The tradition, the dresses, what we see is like Indian. So, whoa, you see it there. Okay, this is the Delhi Darbar in 1903. This is how it used to look. Delhi Darbar. But this is what they have over here. This is from the Mummies movie. Whoa. This is how the coffins used to be.
Coffins.
It looks so real and
it is like around 4,500 years ago.
Old, right?
4,500 years ago.
Old.
Yeah.
So like all these things what you see is like more than 4,500 years old. As you guys know, the British has come to India. They have taken a lot of things. Same way they might have gone to Egypt and taken a lot of things. All this is like old artwork. The light is not good. I can't be that active and I can talk much because, like, you know, I'm in a museum and all are silent. But I have a pretty good stuffing. Ate a bird. I believe that this is the first helicopter, the aeroplane, created by the Wright brothers. I don't know what does this symbolize or why it has kept like this. So fam, they have a lot of things to show around. Okay, right now like I'm somewhere over here. The artwork is so good, so good. They have something over here as well. So fam, I guess this is what we call as modern art. You understand nothing, but there's a lot of meaning to it, right? And if you come to know about some meaning from this, please do let me know. The next art that I'm going to show is so incredible that you'll not understand. It's beyond your boundaries. So fam, that was the art gallery we have shown today.
Clifton Suspensional Bridge, then we went to ZaZa Bazar and now Art Museum.
Hope you like the places where we visited, and hope I was able to do justice by covering the proper places. And I have seen a lot of people have not subscribed to our channel, right?
Kindly like and subscribe to Maputo Mallu.
And if you like this video, like press that bell icon also when you subscribe, so that you will get the latest updates all the time when I put a video. And thank you for watching Maputo Mallu. Signing off.